Imagine waking up one morning, going about your day, and everything seems perfectly fine. You're on your way to work, your kids are off to school, and life feels pretty normal. But then, in the blink of an eye, something unexpected happens. A car accident, a sudden illness, or even worse, a life-changing injury. What would you do if something like this struck today? Would you be financially prepared, or would it leave you struggling to cope with not just the physical, but also the financial fallout? Here's the thing. We all hope these things won't happen to us, but they can, and they do. The reality is, we can never predict the future. That's why insurance is so critical. It's like a safety net, ready to catch you when the worst happens. Without the right coverage, life's unexpected moments could lead to financial disaster. But with the right insurance in place, you can face these challenges with confidence, knowing that you won't have to go through them alone. Transition to the importance of insurance. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of insurance, specifically life insurance, health insurance, and all the other types of coverage that can be a true lifesaver in tough times. And I'll explain why. No matter how old you are or how healthy you may feel, insurance is something we all need to seriously consider. Life insurance, protecting your family's future. Let's start with life insurance. I know many people avoid thinking about life insurance, especially in their younger years, but here's why you should care. Life insurance isn't just a policy, it's peace of mind. It ensures that your family won't be left with a financial burden if something happens to you. Imagine if you suddenly passed away. How would your loved ones pay for funeral costs, outstanding debts, or even daily living expenses without your income? Life insurance is designed to replace that lost income and help with those expenses during a difficult time. Here's something to think about. The younger and healthier you are, the more affordable life insurance can be. And if you wait until later in life, the premiums could be higher, and you might not be able to get coverage at all, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. So the earlier you start, the better for both your finances and your family's future. Health insurance, essential for your financial security. Now let's talk about health insurance. Health insurance isn't just a luxury, it's essential. The reality in the USA is that healthcare is incredibly expensive, and the bills can pile up faster than you might think. A single trip to the emergency room can cost thousands, and if you're facing a serious illness or injury, those costs can spiral out of control. But health insurance can help protect you from these high costs. With the right plan, you can receive the care you need without the fear of financial ruin. And the good news is, there are many options out there, from government programs like Medicaid and Medicare to private insurance through employers or the marketplace. But it's important to choose a plan that suits your specific needs. For example, if you have a chronic condition, a plan with better coverage for doctor visits and prescriptions might be the right choice. Or, if you're young and healthy, you might opt for a high-deductible plan to save money on premiums. Understanding the costs and benefits of health insurance. Of course, health insurance isn't free. And sometimes it's hard to figure out which plan gives you the best value for your money. But when you break it down, health insurance is an investment in your future. Not only does it cover the big expenses like surgeries or hospital stays, but it can also help with preventive care, like regular checkups and screenings, which can save you money down the road. Auto and home insurance, more than just basics. Next up, auto and home insurance. You might think these are basic, no-brainer coverages, but trust me, they're more important than most people realize. Auto insurance protects you if you're in an accident, but did you know it can also cover things like theft, vandalism, or damage to your car in a natural disaster? And if you don't have the right auto insurance, you could be left paying out of pocket for repairs, or worse, liability costs if you're at fault in an accident. Then, there's homeowners insurance. If something happens to your home, a fire, flood, or burglary, homeowners insurance can help you rebuild, repair, or replace everything you've lost. But what if your home isn't properly insured? You could end up paying out of pocket for repairs, or, in the worst-case scenario, face the loss of your home without the funds to fix it. Other types of insurance protecting more than just the basics. And it doesn't stop there. There are also types of insurance like disability insurance, which can provide income if you're unable to work due to illness or injury, and long-term care insurance, which can cover costs if you need assistance with daily living activities as you get older. These may seem like extra costs now, but they could be the key to maintaining your lifestyle and financial well-being if something unexpected occurs. Real-life example: why insurance matters. Let me share a real-life example with you. A few years ago, a close friend of mine had a routine checkup and discovered that she had a serious medical condition. Without health insurance, she would have been buried under thousands of dollars in medical bills, but because she had a solid plan, most of her expenses were covered. That peace of mind allowed her to focus on her health rather than her finances. It was a wake-up call for me to realize just how important it is to have the right insurance coverage in place. Highlighting the growing need for coverage. Now more than ever, insurance is something we all need to think about. With the way things are changing in the world, the unpredictability of life is a reality we all have to face. Insurance isn't just a luxury or an extra, it's a necessity. And in the US, having the right coverage can make all the difference between a manageable situation and a financial disaster. Call to action: encourage subscribers. If you're sitting there thinking, I need to make sure my family is covered, or I'm not sure if I have the right insurance, you're not alone. But you've taken the first step by being here and learning more. If this video is helping you understand the importance of insurance, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and when we hit that milestone, I'll be sharing even more valuable tips on protecting your future. So don't miss out. Join our community and let's secure your financial future together. To sum it all up, life insurance, health insurance, and other types of coverage are crucial to safeguarding not just your assets, but your peace of mind. You wouldn't drive a car without insurance, so why take chances with your health or home? Take the time now to make sure you're properly covered and rest easy knowing that you've taken the right steps to protect your financial future. So, if you're ready to take control of your insurance decisions and secure your future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more information to help you navigate the world of insurance and beyond. Let's build a financially strong future together, starting right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.